let's now go on plate 104, no? So, ito yung plate 104 nyo. Something similar to the UC logo. Okay, so this is being made into just one part. A quarter of this part is this one. So how are you going to do this one is by the command ml, no? Multiline. So we go with CAD. Okay, so study the plan. Okay, so the multiline consists of two lines already, no? In which you just need to draw. If this, let's say for example, if this is a beam that has a width of 250, then you can have the spaces between these two lines as 250, no? And we call that one scale on multi-line. Okay, so the distance between these two objects, these two lines, is 25. Okay, so let's go with the configuration or study first the plan. Okay, so 45 degree, 45, 45, 45, 45, but this one is under 30 degrees. Okay, so 67, then 110, and then blah blah blah, and then you can have your ellipse. So sige, so I will be starting my drawing here. ML, no? For multi-line. Okay. So sige, i-command nyo ML for multi-line, and then specify start point. So you can start anywhere here. And then there are three options, no? But what is important here is this two. You go with scale. That would be 25. Okay, that's the distance between those two lines. And then justification, that's the positioning of your multi-line. If it starts from the top, 0, or bottom. 0 if that's on the center, and top if that's the case. If your reference is on the top line, and then bottom line for the bottom. I'll go with the 0. Okay. So scale of 25, and then justification being 0. Okay, so going left, so my ortho is on. Sige. So select mo yan, and dalawang lines. But this should be continuous, no? If you did not finish the figure, then you have to start over again. Okay, so that would be 67, and then 110. Type just 67, and then go to your polar tracking, and then 45 degrees, and then follow the green lines, 110. Okay, and then going down is 200. Okay, 200, and then 132, 132, 132, 100. 45 degrees is 132, 132, and then is that 200 or 100? 100, and then 118 again. 100, and okay, what's that? 45, 118 degrees, 118 line, 45, 118. Then you go down. That would be 209, and then 200. Okay, this part here is under a 30-degree line. I know this one because I'm the one who made this one. Okay, so go to this one, and then 30 degree, and it's the 200, 200, and then 297, 200, and then 297, and then enter. Okay, then enter mo lang. Do not hit escape. Okay, so I'm done with this quarter part of this the logo, the UC. Now I will create a line which is 342.5 from this point going here, and then come up with this ellipse. The major radius is 502, and then the minor radius being 260. Okay, so that would be 342.5 line. Then 342.5, enter. Okay, and then come up with the ellipse. EL for ellipse, EL for ellipse, or you can just type ellipse. Okay, so there are two options here, arc and then center. I will go with center. I will put this one first as the center. Okay, and then this one is the major radius 502, and then the minor radius being 260. Okay, so this is the center. I'll go with your ortho. Okay, the major radius being 502, enter, ayan, and then the minor radius being 260. And then I'll just move this one. Ayan, and then ito dapat tugma sa node niya, no? From this point, if you try to create a line, ayan, tugma. Okay, trim it out. There, okay, and just copy this one, CO. Okay, and then try to mirror it out. Okay, of course, MI. And ito, select mo yan. Then select those two. Okay, so may mga na doble-doble dyan. Tanggalin nyo na lang. Ayan. Okay, so we're done. Huh? All you need to do is arrange this one first. Then what I will do here is try to take a line. I will put a line here, no, for my reference line on the dimensioning part. Okay, because we come up with a scale of a justification of center, no? So that this 110 or the 67 here would be measured from this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay. So I just come up with the reference line there. Just come up with the lines, joining these two, no? Oh no. Okay. So okay na yan. Let's go to the arrangement. Ayan. So, sige. Right click, and then move or copy. Put it to the end, hit create copy, and then right click, rename. Speed-4, plate 1, plate 4. Okay? So, come up with my reference line again. Then, MV or viewport, MV. Okay, what's this? Ano yun? Okay, let's go with the scaling. 1:15, and then this is 1:10. Okay, so 1:15. Is that 1:15? Try natin. Oh, no. Hindi ko magnify. Okay, magnify mo muna, no? Para maayos mo. 1:15 daw. Okay, tama siguro. I need to edit that one. Tanggalin mo yan. Okay, let's try to join this one. If we can join. Ayaw. Never mind. Saan yung plate 104 ko? Dito ko linagay. Never mind. Sige. Sige na, tanggalin ko dito. Plate 104. Dapat dito ako nag-drawing, na. Okay. Reference. V for viewport again. Double click inside. And then magnify this one. Come up with a scale of 1:15. Ayan. And then mag-MV lang ako dito. MV. Something here. Para makuha ko tong ito. Na? Okay. And then the scale being 1:10. Ayan. 1:10. Okay. But I will put this viewport to reference. Okay. So, sige, I'm going to go with my D for dim style and then that. Set ka red and then close. Sige, mag-dimension na tayo, no? 67. So, just follow that one. DLI. From midpoint to midpoint. O yun. Eksakto ah. Dal. Try ko nga to. Dal. Ito. 110. Okay. Saan ito? Papunta doon? Oh, no. I should put this one because this will not be seen. Hindi may print yan. No? So, dim. Okay. So, I'll go with my dim. Activate ko si dim. Okay, so dal. Ayan, hanggang sa matapos siya. No? That is on the center to center kasi. That's why I need that lines. Okay, so 260, 502, no? One DNI then lumalabas, no? So REA DNI ayaw ah. Can I just get a line here na? Then i-delete ko na lang ito mamaya, no? Kasi I don't know what's something wrong here, no? So dal ka na lang. Tanggalin mo muna to. Dal. DLI. Ayaw kung minsan, no? Is that the case? And dal. Ito, pwede mong isentro dun sa sentro ng server. Okay. So that's what you do. Retain yan. Retain. Just go this one to your reference. Then you have plate 4. Ito yung sinasabi ko, no? So if this one is, let's say ito, yung the viewport is matched to this one, hindi yan may print. Tingnan mo. Control plot. Continue to plot as a single sheet layout. And then hit OK. Tingnan nga natin. Plate 104, plate 4. Just sampan na. Save. Tingnan mo. Hindi ni-print na. Then, ito, I need to put this one to some other layers na. Ito kasi hindi manipis. So, what I will do, okay, is put this one, of course, to let's see, border, kung border na intermediate na. Oh no. You put this one back. And then come up with another layer for your model. Okay, so M dash, let's say this one is 0.3. Okay. This one is black. Or we can put this one as blue. And then the thickness being 0.3. Okay, so para mas makapal, ayan, set yun lang yan. I go with 0.3 na. Okay, so ganyan. Control flat again. Okay, boom. Okay na. Okay na yan. So, that's how are you going to do with plate 104.